Today we are going to tackle some problems on geometry, right? So let's start. We're gonna calculate the circumference of a circle. Okay, C is equal to circumference. D is equal to diameter. I'll show you this diameter, and pi is called pi in maths, which is 3.14. And we are going to calculate the circumference of the circle. This one, I'm giving the radius r. Circumference, diameter, and pi. Okay, it's called parameter of circumference. Circumference, now the formula is circumference equal to pi d. This is the pi, this is the diameter, which means the diameter is the entire of this thing. I think everybody knows this. So it's very simple maths. Baby's milk. From here to here is the diameter, here is the radius. And if you are using the radius, as usual, I'm going to clean. And if you are using the radius, then it will be half r like this. This is a radius halfway. So 2r will be equal to d, diameter. 2r is equal to diameter. Diameter is the entire of this thing, and half is the radius. So 2 of these will make the entire diameter. Okay, now let's take the practical example to calculate the circumference. Okay, let's assume we have 6. 6 as a diameter, right? So it means maybe, let's say the entire of this thing is 6, right? And we know the diameter will multiply times the pi, and the pi is 3.14. When you round it up, it becomes 3.14. So is it to be 6 times 3.14? Then it will give you the circumference, which will be equals to, right, 6 times this is 18.84, because this is 24 carried 2 is 18, 1 minute, yeah, 8. This will be the circumference. Down here I've calculated using this formula which I showed you, which is 2 pi, or sorry, which is pi d, or if you are using radius, is 2 pi. It's very simple to calculate the circumference of a circle. Just follow the formula, is 2, and then you are good to go. Okay, I think this is class 5 maths. Simple. Let's go to another thing. I hope that is understood. The formula, just remember the formula, circumference is equal to pi d. Okay, or you have 2r is equals to 2r pi. If you are using the radius, 2 pi r, then pi. But if you are using diameter, it's this. So that's about it. You calculate any type of circumference of a circle. 2 pi r, 2 r pi, or pi d. D stands for circumference and r stands for radius. 2 over radius will make a diameter. So next, let's calculate area of a triangle. Today I'm taking you through very easy maths. So let's have a triangle like this. Sorry, let's have to draw it properly. I don't know the right angle triangle. I'm not doing right angle. I'm just doing a triangle. I've kept this thing. And first of all, let's say area of a triangle. My writing is not very clear. This area would be equals to a half base times height. This is a formula. Area is equal to a half of the base times height. That's how you calculate the area of a triangle. Now let's take a practical example. Guys, I have to keep pulling this thing up. So let's take a practical example. I've drawn this triangle here. You can see that this is 90 degrees. Forms 90 degrees there. That one. Okay. Now, the formula I've shown you is area is equals to a half base height times height. This is a formula. Now, example, let's A equal to that's a formula. Let H, which is the height. Now in this case, call it H, anything. You can call it A or B. Okay, let's call it B. Height is more illustrative because it shows you it's about height. Let it be this one. And then the entire of this one be base. Now, let's say height is equals to 12. Okay, let's put it 10. Let's 12, whatever. And then let base be equals to 4. Now, making these figures out from my head. Okay. So you can see that height is 12. So from here to there is 12. So maybe I should write it here. And the entire of this one will be 6. I write here. From this point to this. Okay, let me put the arrows to show you that I mean the entire of this thing. The entire of this thing should be 6. Right? 6. I mean the entire of this thing should be 6. I hope you are getting it. From here to here should be 6. That this is a base, and that's the height, which is 12. So to calculate the area of this will be very easy. We'll use this formula. So we put a half here times base, which is 6, which is 4, right? Times height, right? Which is 12. We are using this formula. A half base times this one. So what is the result of this? This is 8. This is 48 divided by 2. That's 24. This will be the answer. 24, because you multiply this, you get 48 here, then you have to divide by half. That will give you 24 as the answer. And that's it. Meters squared. The answer is this is in meters. If it was in meters squared. Okay. The answer, if it's in meters, will be meters squared. It's very easy. And you can check if you want to prove. You can prove it. You can prove by saying height is equals to 2 into area, which in our case is 24, over base, which is 6. Okay. Now we want to prove that we are right. So you know this area is 24. This is base is 6. When you divide this one, it will give you 4. Is it 4? 6 goes to 24. How many times? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, it's 4. So 4 times 2, this will be 8. and we have the area times 2. Sorry, we have the area times 2 first. We have to multiply this times 2. That will give us 48. Then you divide by 6. Then it will be equal to this, right? Because we have in 2 and here we have 24. So it means you multiply 2 times 24. It will give 48 divided by 6. Right? Divide by 6. So what will that be? 48 divided by 6. Let's say it's 12 times 6. No, it's not 12. Sorry. What is 48 divided by? What was the base actually? The base is 4. Sorry, I was putting the wrong number. It's 4. So 24. 2 times this is 48 divided by 4. So this will be 1. Yeah, exactly. That's the answer. The area is 24. When it's multiplied times 2, it will be 48. Divided by 4, it will give you 12, which is the height of the triangle that I gave you. So you are proved that you are right according to these maths. This is a really simple maths. I think when you went to school maybe, or you are learning from me, I don't know. You must be familiar with this. So guys, we have started geometry, a bit of it. We shall proceed doing geometry for some time, and then we will see, maybe go to algebra and so on. So please follow me. We are really tackling real maths here, and if you follow, you're gonna learn a lot from me, from this channel. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more. To give yourself various examples, you can, if you don't know these things, because it really is, it's very simple how to calculate the area of a triangle, the circumference of a circle. Okay, bye for now. See you in another one. Share, like and subscribe. Bye.